Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, if I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, as much as I can see, guys, as USDT is actually in the right position and the right points, and it's one of the greatest things that I like trading. And guys, I really want to appreciate you guys for your support, likes, and comment. You understand? And I really want to appreciate myself. I don't know if you guys do really appreciate yourself. I really want to appreciate myself for being consistently coming to you guys and uploading and making sure that everybody's learning and everybody's understanding the market. That is my duty. For me, for you to win, it's what makes me sleep. You understand? It always has to be the one of the important thing in my life. It's been there. I feel like when I teach you guys something and you guys are learning, it's what keeps me awake and what keeps me in a peaceful sleep. You understand? I don't know if that's what makes sense to you, but I don't like gatekeeping most of the information. I like giving out the information. And the more information you give, the more power you get. You just don't understand. Gatekeeping, guys, doesn't help because I can tell you something, you know it better than me, and then you teach. And I'd like to appreciate those who really came to PLK to attend the seminar because the seminar was great. Information was shared. So, and this is what I see, I'm already on USDT. I see that we have a 90% rule, beautiful 90% rule. But me and you, we gotta do something that we call cleaning the chart. We have to clean the chart. Basically, we understand where we're going and everything. But you see, the way it's playing around the chart is dead. So we gotta clean the chart and make sure the chart is clean. With the same concept though, but we gotta like clean it. You understand? Since we understand where the market is going, we're gonna do that, create our highest point and create our current lowest point. You understand? So basically we had a trend line moving from the top side. So I'm not gonna go to the weekly time frame or daily because we already understand the structure. That is one of the most important thing I would like to tackle in these days because I see that people don't really understand that the thing that gives me the direction is just the structure of the market. If I moved here, I know basically that I'm coming here. I don't know how I'm gonna get there, but at the end of the day, we're gonna get there. So that's how the market moves. So we have another structure here. Uh, you gotta check it how it moves and how it is. Understand? So if you can check, let me remove this. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, but at the end of the day, that's how it is. So if you can check, we touched it, we moved it, we touched it, we moved it. So basically, somewhere around, we gotta touch there, and we have to touch there in the bottom side. But me, I don't like using this trend line because I feel like it's a matter of expectations. And it's now I gotta expect things to happen, and we haven't yet finished the journey. So without me finishing the chain, I don't want to be expecting selling opportunities because that's what can actually break my trading plan, trading plan, trading statistics. I've been moving great this month. You can see the signal has been winning. Not saying that I'm advertising them or what. They can do the review. They'll see themselves, man. We've been winning and we've been making money, and making money makes sense. Me, I want to see my students making it, guys. It might be not now, but in the future, all my students are gonna be in the real sport. They just don't understand how hard I'm working to make them be where I want them to be no matter what. But you forgive your students. Like always, God forgives us for our sins. Even if they can go mad on me, do this, it's right, man. They are building me. I'm their mentor. They gotta build me. They shouldn't be afraid to say, no, mentor, you're wrong. So here it's where we apply a major key. If it breaks it, that's when I understand that it will sell. So the reason it's a major key, it's being connected to the major trend line. Wow, that's easy and simple, right? So I feel like at this certain point here, we gotta be finding our pre-positions of buys, understand? So I'm saying pre because we haven't yet entered, understand? So we have to be coming around here, getting our pre-positions where we're going to be figuring out what can we enter. But the 90% rule, we know where it is. It's crazy, guys, because a lot of people, when they get in the industry, they become confused. This is not a game whereby you are coming to play. Here it's a game that you play with money. Even a demo account, it's a fake money. At the end of the day, there's money. So yeah, I feel like at that certain point, let's figure out where we can get our buying opportunities because it just have a simple structure. We're just looking for a better entry. 60 minutes time frame. Let's check what's going on here. So here, sometimes I believe that times plays a real role in the market. Okay, it's the structure and time. That's something that I didn't tackle on the seminar. That is what we call time. time plays a bigger role. You know, when I came in the industry, I learned the structure of the market, and I sooner to be learning the time. You know, to learn the time is really important in the market. You understand? You gotta know what time are you entering the trade. I wish I could say it in my own language, but you know, some won't be able to figure it out what we're gonna be saying. But at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't matter now. What matters is us figuring out how we can enter entry point. So this can be our take profit as well. You see, so this is beautiful, guys. We already have entry points, take profits, and whatever. So I don't like the wait whatever because it seems like you're just saying whatever. I mean, but at the end of the day, you all understand what I was actually saying. Understand? So let's jump into US30. Beautiful. And on NFP, guys, we really analyzed buy. Not to lie to you, US30 definitely buy Nasdaq bought. On life, I did say it's gonna buy. The only thing that didn't actually buy immediately is gold. You understand? The gold had the spike that I didn't understand. And me, I don't analyze spike. I don't have a strategy that talks about spikes. I wish if I did, but because I don't, so there's nothing that I can do myself. You understand? I don't see spikes. I only see it once it happens. But I don't analyze spikes. I analyze the direction. And I will never celebrate for a spike because I know, bro, I just won because of a spike. Put it in correct ways because spikes only happen maybe once or two. So if you won today with the spike and you didn't understand the direction, next week there's no spike, it's a direction. How can you get the direction? You see, it's gonna be a problem. That's why me and you we gotta come and figure it out. How we get the direction of the market? Wow, this thing is already buying, man. My student could be eating now. But at the end of the day, man, let me just take my phone and okay, let me work with you all. And then once I'm done here, we jump into my students, because they're becoming late to the entry point. They're never late, but they're gonna be late because I'm busy with you all in here. And I said, I'm just making sure everybody eats. And so here I saw selling opportunities, but yo, selling opportunities on Nasdaq is suicide. I said last, you just feel like don't make yourself Superman, man. You can never make it. This thing will reverse. This thing will reverse on its own time. Believe me or not, me, I'm still looking for buying opportunities, even if it's there. But now you can look for selling opportunity. Not now, actually, around 15:30, because it will be doing that. Sell to buy, sell to buy, sell to buy, because it's a structure of the market. That's what makes it moves and that's what makes sense. You understand? So I'm just gonna leave it there because this is the market been buying, the market been buying and it will keep on buying. So you see, there's just a simple correction here. So if it chooses to sell, it will break the bottom side and then choose to go to the bottom. If it chooses to buy, it will break the highest point and chooses to buy. So that's how the market is going to move. That one, Nasdaq, just leave it now. You're gonna trade it during the day. It will be one of the most difficult because now you gotta decide the direction. But whatever it will break here between the structures here and the structure above, that's where the market will go. You understand? So the market can choose to cover the structure at the top and then sell there. So yeah, that one depends on you. So at the end of the day, we're done this side. Let's jump in, call. Nasdaq doesn't have what I want. So I can't force myself to. I don't like forcing trades, and I always advise people stop forcing trades. The only problem about most of you wanna force a trade. And the market doesn't work like that, guys. Doesn't work like that. We don't force any trade. We make sure that the market is respecting our trade. That one I'm not gonna repeat about it because I've been saying this way. Understand? So yeah, I just see my proper analysis from the past making sense. So I don't need to be going fair or more. Understand? I just have to. Some are saying, yeah, gold will be selling. That's what you think, but that's not what gold is doing. Because if I go to the highest time frame, you see where gold is actually going. Understand? Structure of the market. Check, right? We touch there, we touch there. When are we touching there? Yes, we can come back, reverse it, but we gotta be touching there. So you gotta see where you get your buys, but your buys are going there. Understand? So here we have a 90% rule that the market gotta respect, but because it's gold, man, it has a higher probabilities of coming back here just to retest. Gold moves great, bruh. Gold moves great. As much as I'm the biggest trader now, I know, man. Check, we cut this buy here, we moved. Check where we at. This is where gold actually played funny during 15:30, 14:30. You see, it came back here to just get this support here, like move through and then took people out, and then the next thing it bought. That's the direction of the market. Like, man, even if you can rob us, we understand. It's part of the market at the end of the day. So here, guys, we're gonna take your selling opportunities without any chances. You gotta be entering once you see this video. And then the take profit has to be there, eat perfectly, and then come back again, buying opportunity. Don't be surprised when Nasdaq when I became that fast, guys. Nasdaq now it's all about experience. You know, sometimes analysis don't have to be there. So the more you trade, the more you learn. So you gotta be trading every day so you can learn. Even if it's a demo account, you gotta learn. Don't flex with a demo account because you're not learning, you're flexing. So at the end of the day, the problem is flexing with the demo account. So don't flex with it, learn with it. Then once you understand, then you can come and flex with real accounts. But at the end of the day, man, it's part of your, it's part of your opportunities to use whatever you want to use and however you want to use them. So, but if it inspires you to flex with a demo account, shout out to you. Whatever that you feel like it is, guys. So at the end of the day, guys, I really appreciate your time, guys. Let's meet on another video, guys. I hope and believe I will see you guys winning, posting those profits when you kill the US30, because US30 is the one that we're gonna be on its neck. Thank you, guys.